Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off today, I'm going to do a travel test of this vacuum cleaner. So I want to see how much space in my apartment this thing will travel in 1 hour. I'm gonna go on my exercise walk. That takes an hour out and back. And I'm gonna take these little pieces of tissue, the size of a fingernail, and place 2 in each room. I got a kitchen cooking area. I got a dining area that I'm in now. I have my bedroom, living room, bathroom. So I'm gonna place these around in these rooms. And when I come back, I'm gonna see if this vacuum cleaner has sucked all of them up in 1 hour, which will let me know that it traveled through these rooms, which is adequate for me if it covers that space in an hour. If not, I'll do it again in an hour and a half. But basically, I want to see how long I need to set the operational timer for in the app so that I can set this thing to clean my apartment while I'm gone. And I need to know how long that'll take and see if it can do that and get back to the charger so that I know it'll function like that while I'm gone if I travel for a week or 2 at a time, which is common for me. So let me go ahead, place these little fingernail sized pieces of tissue around my apartment, and I'm gonna tell this thing to go. I'm gonna go for my hour walk. I'm gonna come back and see if it has picked them all up. So there's one I placed in the kitchen. Placed one on my wife's side of the bed. Now I'm gonna place one on the carpet on my side of the bed. I placed another one in the bathroom, 2 in the living room, 1 in front of the sofa, and 1 by my desk. So let's hit it. I'm gonna hit auto, and I'm gonna leave and come back in an hour and see if it's picked all those up. Let's get cracking. I am back home. I do not hear my vacuum cleaner running. It did pick up the piece of paper I put there. It did not pick up the piece of paper I picked there. Let me go check a couple more spots. It did pick up the piece of paper in the bathroom. It did pick up the paper on my wife's side of the bed. It did pick up the paper on my side of the bed. Let's go check the kitchen area. It did not pick up the paper in this part of the eating area. It did pick up the paper in the kitchen area. So there's 2 areas that I know it did not get. This part of the kitchen and 1 part in the living room. Let me find it, see if it's stuck under the couch or somewhere. After several minutes, I found it stuck somewhere that I didn't know it could reach. So I restarted it, and I'll let it run until it dies or picks up this paper. So let's see how that works out for me. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining. So go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the More link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.